Do you want to earn more coins in my perfect hotel? In this guide, I'll walk you through smart ways to maximize your in game profits with ease. First up is invest in upgrading your existing rooms. Instead of constantly building new ones, focus on leveling up the ones you already have. Each upgrade boosts how much each visitor pays. Next, expand your staff. Hiring extra cleaners and receptionists speeds up service and guest flow, which means more check ins and checkouts every minute and more income in your pocket. Don't forget to enhance the checkout process. The quicker guests finish their stay and leave, the faster you can accommodate the next ones. This alone can drastically increase your daily earnings. Be strategic with your time based upgrades. Unlocking things like faster elevators or premium room types can significantly improve efficiency and revenue over time. When it comes to ads, choose wisely. Watch the ones that offer double cash or temporary stuff boosts. Those moments can skyrocket your profit in just a few minutes. Also, don't neglect the lobby or elevator. Guests hate waiting. If the front area or elevator is too slow, they'll leave costing you money. Keep these areas upgraded to avoid bottlenecks. Make sure to complete your daily tasks, missions, and limited time events. These often reward you with large chunk of cash and can add up fast over time. And finally, go back and replay earlier hotel levels. With your improved setup, since your systems are stronger now, you'll earn much faster on a second run. So follow these tips and you'll watch your hotel earnings grow like never before. So that's it for today's guide. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.